Hello everyone, welcome to Fun with Drawing channel. Let's do fun while drawing. Today I am drawing baby Bluey. I am starting with her nose and her cute eyes. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. After her eyes, I am drawing her eyebrows and ears. Now I will draw her body. Her small legs and hands. At the end, I am drawing her nose and her tail. Now, after drawing baby Bluey, I am drawing her mat and a pillow behind her head. Wow! After tracing, baby Bluey drawing is looking so beautiful. Now, I am coloring yellow in her ears and mouth. Now orange color in her pillow and mat. Now I am doing pink color in baby Bluey diaper. Now blue color in her tail and body. Wow, baby Bluey is looking so beautiful. Bye-bye.